Hello everyone, this is Saleh speaking. If you use IPTV players on Windows, you probably know that most of the applications are really bad. They lack the smoothness and they usually have quality problems. So I built my own application. It's called Carbon Player. I built it using Python. All the source code will be available on my GitHub page. So here I will show the application interface, the UI. For example, if we searched for Batman, you will see all the results from the series section, as you can see in here. And next up, I will show you an example from a news channel just to see the quality of the application. So as you can see here, it's really smooth. You can move it, you can customize it using the Keylight coding tools.
Close to 40%, right? Yeah, so this is another significant difference in almost in AI.
And this application is using almost 0% of CPU, unlike the other media players. And now I will show you my source code. If you are not a developer, you can skip this part. All the source codes will be available on my GitHub page. It will be attached in the description. If you want to download the application directly from my GitHub page, just go to the link and select the releases section in here, as you can see, and download the application. And note that a Windows SmartScreen will pop up. It will tell you the application is not safe, but you can trust me. You can check the source code yourself. It has no viruses or malware. So after opening the application, we have two main things in the Carbon Player. The first thing is go to the settings and select the external media player, and make sure to select your favorite one, VLC, Keylight codec, it doesn't matter. After selecting your external media player, add your account. So there are two types of account, the M3U and the other type. Choose your own library. And next, I recommend downloading Keylight codec. It's really smooth. It's a classic media player. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.